Bulbs are swollen stems, leaves, or roots that have a basal plate. The basal plate is a flat, thin, and often circular portion at the bottom of a bulb from which roots and shoots emerge. Bulbs grow underground. Garlic, onion, etc. reproduce in this manner. B. Tubers are swollen stems or roots that lack a basal plate. Tubers grow underground. They have buds called eyes that can grow into new plants. One example of a tuber plant is potato. C. Runners are thin stems that grow horizontally above or along the surface of the ground. They have nodes from which new plants arise. An example of a runner plant is the strawberry.